Everyone, welcome back to my video. I'm Sasa. How are you today? I hope you are fine and happy today. Okay, do you still remember the material we learned in the previous video? That's right. We learned about request sentences. Okay, in this video we will learn the next topic, the next material, the next lesson. We will learn about English for adults. And the topic is irregular verb and tenses. Okay, in this video I also will show you the simple media that can help us to learn about English for adults. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay. Number one is simple present tense. Simple present tense used to show facts, habits, and general conditions that occur at this time. So the structure is subject plus verb 1. Okay, from the example, he go to school. Number 2 is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense used to discuss ongoing action. The main thing about this tense is the time duration for the verb. Okay, the example is the train is arriving in an hour. So the structure is subject, to be is MR plus verb ing. Number 3, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense used to show an action or event has been complete and emphasize the result. The example is I have read this novel. Okay, the structure is subject plus has or have plus verb 3. Okay, Number 4, present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense used to indicate actions that began in the past and continue to this day. Usually, the action that use this tense has defined time and then time duration and has relevance to the present condition. Let's look at the example. The baby has been playing a toy for an hour. The structure subject plus has or have plus been plus verb ing. Next, number 5, simple past tense. Simple past tense used to indicate an event in the past. The example is I sent you a letter yesterday. The structure is subject plus verb 2. Then number 6, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense used to indicate an event that is happening in the past. Usually there are 2 events that happened in the past and those interrupted events that use this tense. Look at the example. She was reading when I entered the room. The structure is subject plus was or were plus verb ing. Number 7, past perfect tense. It used to show events that occurred before a certain time in the past and more emphasize on the result of the duration of event. Usually used to indicate which event occurred first between 2 events that occurred in the past. This is the example. He broke my heart after I had given everything I have. So the structure is subject plus had plus verb 3. Number 8, past perfect continuous tense. Yeah, past perfect continuous tense used to indicate action that occurred in the past and were complete at a certain time in the past as well. This tense emphasizes the duration of the event. This tense is also used in reported speech. Okay, for the example, let's look the example. Yeah, here the example. When the guests come, we had been waiting for an hour. Yeah. The structure is as plus had plus been and plus verb ing. Okay. Let's go to number 9. Okay. Can you see number 9? Yeah. Okay. Number 9 is simple future tense. Simple future tense used to indicate an action or a situation in the future. So, like this, you will win the game. Yeah, you will win the game. And the structure is subject plus will plus verb 1. Okay. Number 10, future continuous tense. Yeah, future continuous tense used to indicate an action or situation that will occur at a certain time in the future. Yeah, let's look the example. Yofi will be sleeping at 11 p.m. As you can see there, the structure is subject plus will plus be plus verb ing. Okay, let's go to the number 9. Sorry, I mean number 11. Number 11 is future perfect tense. Yeah, future perfect tense used to indicate actions that will end in the future. For example, you will have done the same work for 4 years. Okay. The structure is subject plus we plus have and then plus verb 3. Okay, then number 12, future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense used to indicate actions that will continue to occur in the future. This tense emphasized as a result. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to the example here. The dog will have been sleeping when you get home. The structure is subject plus will plus have been plus verb ing. So, number 13, simple past future tense. Simple past future tense. This tense used to indicate action that will be carried out in the past but failed. Yeah, let's the example is I would forgive you, but the real is I didn't forgive you. Yeah, something like that. Okay, and then the structure is subject, verb, and verb 1. Number 14, past future continuous tense. Yeah, past future continuous tense used to indicate an action that will be carried out in the past and will last and until a certain time in the past. This then emphasizes the duration of the action. Let's see the example. The example is I would be attending the conference if I was in Yogyakarta, but I am in Surabaya. Yeah. And the structure is subject would be plus present participle. Okay. Number 15, past future perfect tense. This tense used to indicate indicate an action that would have been carried out in the past but apparently not done. This tense emphasizes the result. So this is the example. I should have seen Chi Chang-wook if I had come earlier. Yeah. The structure is as plus would or should plus have plus verb 3. So the last one but not least is past future perfect continuous tense. Yeah, it used to show action that would have been and still being done in the past but actually did not happen. So the example is, at this time yesterday, DQ would have been studying for 3 hours. So the structure is subject plus would or should plus have been plus present participle. Yeah, so that's all about tenses. So it is important because you can speak English clearly if you understand the tenses. Okay. Yay! Okay, it's time to play the wheel. So if we learn about tenses, so we need to know the irregular verb. So because in these tenses we have structure like verb 1, verb 2, and then verb 3, something like that. But we need to know verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. So this will help you to know the verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. So in this green side is the meaning in Indonesian, and then this column is verb 1, and then this is verb 2, and then this is verb 3. So if the arrow on word menjadi, so the verb 1 of menjadi is become, and then verb 2 is became, and verb 3 is become. Yeah, something like that. And then you spin it down. Yeah, something like that. The word muncul. The verb 1 is rise, and then verb 2 rose, and then verb 3 risen. Yeah, so it will help you to know which is the verb 1, verb 2, or verb 3. Yes. Pergi, verb 1 go, and then the verb 2 is went, and then the verb 3 gone. Yeah, something like that. You can spin it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So if you use this media, it will help you to know the verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. Yes, this is a simple media that I can show to you. So yeah, let's learn together with this media. That's all for our lesson today. Yeah. I hope this simple media helps you to understand the lesson well. So thank you for your attention today, and I apologize if I make any mistakes. So that's all for me. See you next time. Stay happy and stay healthy.